Today we are going to learn what do you see lesson. Second standard English, page number 101. Blue bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog. Green frog, what do you see? I see a red fish. Red fish, what do you see? I see a small boy. Small boy, what do you see? I see a blue bird, a yellow duck, a green frog and a red fish. That is what I see. Okay students, come to the next page. Page number 102. Match the pictures with the suitable colors and correct color name in the blanks. Next, choose and write the correct word. How many ducks are there in the picture? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. I see 4 ducks. Okay students. How many frogs are there? 1, 2. Okay, I see 2 frogs. How many trees are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3. Very good. I see 3 trees. How many fish are there? Okay, only 1 fish. I see 1 fish in the blanks. Next, come to the next page. Page number 103. This is homework for you. Next, page number 104. Here some things are given. Circle the correct the picture to the particular word. Hat, shoes, pants, tie. Next, listen and write the correct one. We see with our dash. Eyes or ears. Which parts help us to see? Do you know? Very good. We see with our eyes. We smell with our eyes or nose? Very good. Nose. We walk on our hands or legs? Very good. We walk on our legs. We clap with our dash. Hands or legs? Very good. We clap with our hands. Okay students. Next. Tick things that are yellow. Fill it. Next, we come to the page number 105. Read and match. Here some words are given. We have to pronounce and match one by one. Tail, pale, pay, say, male, pale, flame, blame, train, drain. Okay students. Next, fill a or an. We already learned articles. So you put correct articles in the blanks. The first one. An apple. A box. A tap. An egg. A jug. An ox. A kite. A van. Okay students, I hope you understand the lesson. Read and fill it. Thank you.